folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I've got the first instrument for 2024. This is a little Scout ukulele. The Scout model is a little soprano uke I make from shop scraps, from leftovers from other projects. And they are beautiful and humble and slightly imperfect like all of us, and that's why I love them. This one, the back and sides are walnut. Some really nice walnut here, with walnut binding on the top. And then fretboard, headplate, and bridge are also walnut. These are all pieces of walnut from a local tree here in Hood River. And then the rest is Orford Cedar. Just scraps from my other Orford Cedar projects. That comes from the Oregon coast. And I stained the Orford Cedar amber. I just really like that sometimes for its kind of antique look. It's a really curly top. It's filled full of tiny flaws and imperfections that I find charming. And Orford Cedar just always sounds good as a top wood. Yeah, and when I put the number in the label, I put number 869, and then I wrote 1/23, because I forgot it's 1/24. So I had to write over it with my little marker pen, and I'll leave it there as a reminder to myself about how we are not always perfect, but we still got to take a step forward into the new year. So here's my step forward, number 869. If you want to get on the little email list about these Scout ukes and when they're available, you can email us at info@thebeansprout.com to get on that list. This one's going off to the list today, and new owner for the new year. Cheers. Oh, comes with a case. We've been buying these little Kala soft cases for when we need things like this. They're really nice backpack cases. I really like these. So yeah, it'll come with this. It's gonna be $900 with the case plus shipping. Cheers.